Hello, this is Avinash. Today we're looking at the 10th experiment in DBMS lab, that is to make a database where we insert, update, delete and display, and we have to do all the four queries what we have over here. So this is the example for that. We are using the registration form as an example. So in the registration form we have four form. Here we have forms over here. The first form is related to the registration form. So here, using the PHP code, we give the values submit, name, message. So here we have three: name, message and submit. So using these three, we have to run the program and then execute. In the PHP code, we have given the name, and then we'll get the name, and the message, we'll get the message from the user, and then there is something called dollar connection, MySQL connect. So using this, we connect to the local host and then run it. And after that, there is something called query to insert the name and message and values into the submit, into the values over there, into the fields over there. And after that, MySQL query, and we connect the query over here. So once the PHP is done, I've opened the HTML tag and then I've given the HTML. This is to make the registration form and then everything to look proper. So this is the registration form, this name and value, submit, go to, update, delete and display. To make all those things in a proper way, we use the HTML code, and I have used the body background color of 7DBAF7. And after that, I've given such registration form and it is centerline, and then form is equals to action. I didn't give anything. Method equals to post method, and then input type equals to text and name, which is given over here, text and name. And after that, the message, which is already given, and then after that the submit button, and then form will be closed. And then yeah, here we have four options, right? Update, delete and display. All the three are like hyperlink type. When you click on that, it will go to a new form. So for that, we have to give the form2.php is the update, form3.php is the delete, and form4 is to display. So all the link has to be given over here, and then after that I close the HTML tag and I close the HTML body. So this is the code. So now we'll look at it how it happens. So I'll give my name over here, Avinash, and my message is hello, hello everyone, and I submit. So I have to go to something called PHP my admin. So and one more thing, before doing anything, there is something called XAMPP control panel which we have to install, and then which we have to download and install. Once it's done, we have to just go here and select the services what we want to start, and then I have to just start the services. So for right now, I'm running Apache and MySQL in my desktop, in my PC, in my laptop. So I've looked into the code. Now I have to just refresh over here. So this is my PHP my admin console. So in here I've given my name and my message, and I've click on submit, and then after that it came here. So we can see here my name and my message has been printed over here. So it is storing all the data in here. My name and my message has been stored over here. So that is the first for registration form. Now we'll go to update. So update form, that is form 2. So in update, the same PHP code will be here, but then in the query update form 1 and set message MSG goes to MSG. So what basically happens in this query over here is, so it updates the form 1 by getting the message what we give, like uh, here the name, I give Avinash, yeah, and then I give the message again, Avinash 123. I give something like this, and then I click on submit. So what basically happens, this message will be taken by the by the database, and then it will be overwritten on the previous message which is there in the database already. So that will update it. After that, the same body color, this is to align and everything properly in the form. So here we can see that it has updation form, name, message, the same thing we do that. And then for that I use this HTML tag, and then I use the TD, I use the tables and then form action and then all these attributes to make it look good. So now we'll go to localhost, and we'll refresh it. Here we can see the message has been updated, and then uh, we'll go back and we'll go to delete. So delete is something like you just delete the entire thing. So I'll just give my name over here, and then I just click on submit. I go here, refresh, and then that's it. It's deleted. So the code for deleting is query and just delete from form one where name is equals to name. So I just simply delete the name. With that, the message and everything will be deleted. And after that, we just give HTML to alienate like properly, just like how we did for the other two delete page. Just for this, we use this thing and then input text and all. For that, we it's because like text method and all, we just get the input from the user. For that, we use this input type text and submit, and that's it. After that, we go to display. So there's nothing to display because I've already deleted everything. So maybe I'll just give my name over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. My message is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then I click on submit, and then I go to display. So here my name and everything will be displayed. My name and the message, everything has been displayed. So this is how we run and execute this 10th experiment. So it has been run and compiled successfully. Thank you.